How are you? Marvelous. So, today is cold, you already know, but I don't want this cold to stop you doing stuff you're supposed to do. So now how you're going to utilize. If you are indoor, today is one of those days you do nothing, no walk, no workout, but you should be doing something very important. You should be meal prepping. Maybe you already know, maybe not, but meal prep is one of the key to your weight loss, to any results. It's not just the fitness results. We eat to live, not live to eat. So when you prep, make sure you get something so good. If you don't have any meal plans or menu to follow, ask, email me. So anyway, today, because I'm already in the meal prepping or the food, the key to weight loss, number one, is the meal prep or the food. So let me talk a little bit more about the food. Now, I'm sure you already know 85%, in fact, I'll put it this way, 92% of getting results is the food. Is the food you eat. Now, if you are not prepping your meal, there's a 37% chances of you failing. So now the question you may ask is, when you do your meal prepping or when you have a meal plan, what are you going to be looking into? There's 3 macronutrients you must know. What are those macronutrients? I'm going to break it down and then also tell you more stuff that you should know, you should have. Make sure it's part of your food so that you can see the results you are looking for so quicker or faster. Now, on the other side, I have my dry erase board. You ready? Let's go today. Twilight. Keys to weight loss. Number 1, food. And here's the macro. The 3 macro nutrients. You have protein, have your carbs, and the last one are fats. Okay? Those are important for you. Now the question is, what are the percentage? Depend on the body weight. You can do this as a 40, 35, and then that's a 25. Again, depend on the body weight. But today, we are not focusing on this one, okay? We are focusing more on this. So 1, 2, and 3. So you got your macros, nutrient, and the protein. Again, nowadays some people are more high protein, low carbs, or high protein and high fat, in which is the keto, no carb. So it depends. Just make sure you know the reason behind the meal plan you are using or the menu you are following. Okay, if you don't know, ask your coach. Some meal plan or some menu that works for this person might not work for you. Okay, again, depend. When it comes to muscle gain, our muscle breakdown while doing weight training is now you use a protein to get a quick recovery. The reason behind that, we use the protein, whether it's a protein shake or regular protein, because the protein has the amino acid, which that's what our muscle needs. All right, see ya. Thank you. Which that's what the muscle require quick. The same with the fat loss. Okay, so not just the protein or not just the carb, not just the fat. Another nutrient that you want in your food that we need for daily is what? Let's see. The next one is, so this is number one. Number two, the next one is fibers. So make sure you have enough, you're eating enough fibers, but don't go so crazy. Some people, too much of these, guess what? They can feel a lot of constipation. So that's the thing. You know, if you have some digestive problems, so not too much fibers. Depend on the body weight again. Some body weight, you gotta, get small fibers. You don't want a lot of them. So that's why, again, but fiber is necessary. It help move food through the digestive system, just help you to keep going. So now the question is, how do we get more fibers in our system? Okay, there's two types of fibers. There's a soluble fibers and the insoluble fibers. I know. So let's go back then. What kind of fibers we get? There's two types of fibers. Okay, A, soluble, and then B, insoluble fibers. What are the soluble fibers? Those are, which dissolve in water. Dried soybeans, prunes, kidney beans, dry figs. There's a bunch of them, okay? Then when you come to insoluble, which does not dissolve in water, but this is the very reason, it helps with constipation, okay? So like the dry coconut, the wheat bran, the almonds, the lentils, pistachios, those are insoluble fibers here. So here you have your prunes. Those are example. There's a bunch of them. Then you have your, let's say, kidney beans. And then the insoluble fibers, you can see the almonds, the lentils, dry coconut, there's more. So just know of those ones. Okay, so now another part, when it comes to food, to help us keep moving, lose the weight, gotta add some fruit to it. There are many fruits out there, but the question is, which one is better for weight loss? There are 5 or 6 power fruits that I recommend. There are mangoes and guava, papaya, cocoa, pomegranate, cashew, apples. There's a bunch of them, okay? The thing is, the reason why, those 4, some of them you might not see it at the store, some you may, is they have good fibers, they will hold you up for a little bit longer. My next video, I will talk more about those fruits. Then after that, we'll go into vegetables. Why vegetable? The alkaline vegetable is good. You know that. I don't need to be talking more about the vegetable. The more vegetable you eat, the more your blood will be alkaline. The more dairy products we eat is more acidic. So that's the thing. Again, I'll go into detail on those ones here soon. So get more of the bad boys, okay? So then the last one I want to talk a little bit more is the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate. I am going to disappear here quick so I can clean up my board and then get to you the other part. So let's see. You ready? Alright, get ready. We can start. Where he goes, here I come back. So the carbohydrates. Let's talk a little bit more about carbs. We love carbs, you know. People love carbs. Now the question is, what kind of carbs we should be eating? I need to get it different. Dry erase body, huge one, big one. So I'll be doing a lot of cleaning. So the carbs, carbohydrate, there is two of them. Complex carbs and then simple carbs. So what's the difference between the complex and then the simple? Those are more of the simple sugars, that we get from drinks, sucrose, all that stuff, okay? Those are the ones that will spike your blood quick. You have all this energy, then you drop, crash. Okay, this is the one you want. Those are the one that will hold you up for longer, like the brown rice, the oatmeal, oatmeal, the quinoa. What else? Bean. There's a bunch of the, plantains. Okay. So those are the simple sugar. We need to avoid more on this one. This is the good one. This is the bad one. Okay. The complex carbs are known to have tons of vitamins and minerals. Again, it will hold you up for a long time. The energy on this one is sustained for longer. You're not gonna feel crash. But the simple sugar, boom, you have all this energy and then it crash. So remember, the food is 92% when it comes to your weight loss. Is the food, what you put in your mouth. So make sure you choose wisely. Stick to complex carbs over simple carbs. Protein, eat protein more. Fats, this is the way people make some mistake when it comes to fats. Sometimes most people don't know the good fat and then the bad one. Now, when find the good one, don't go crazy. For example, some people love avocado. That's fine. Just don't eat too much of it. Quarter will be fine. Or half will be fine. So don't try to eat the whole stuff when you're doing avocados, okay? A little bit coconut oil, olive oil. There's a lot of them, so but do small. Doesn't matter what it is, they're gonna add up in the near future. So do a little. So now you know carbs, fats, then the protein that I explained earlier, the fibers, fruits, then the vegetables. Watch this video one more time, start afresh, so that you will know every stuff that you need to know about the food, importance of those micronutrients for you, so you can see a good result. All right, my people, that's it for now. We are back to training at 5:30. See you tomorrow for more stuff. The number 2 keys for weight loss. This is the number 1, the food. And the next one, stay tuned.